Hey everyone, I'm Juhi and I'm from Delhi, and this is the day 7 of my English learning. And in Delhi, cold waves going on a peak, and it really hits our temperature. But as usually, I roam in the evening, so that's why I'm here on my terrace and have a look of my plants. In this, some garlic, some onion, spring onion, and yes, some coriander are growing. And here a tulsi, and as usual, my roses. This is a half rose, and this one is just blooming. And this one, and this one, how beautiful is it is. Okay, so here are many birds also. Have a look. And this is my tomato tree. Okay guys, so here a small tomato also just growing, and this one I think, yeah, this one. Okay, and many flowers are blooming on that plant, on this plant. And yes, this is my chotu mango tree and my jet plant, and yes, my pudina, and another one, another rose plant. And here is another bird. So guys, now I am going to downstairs, otherwise my mother scold me. Hey friends, so again I am in my room. Okay, so because cold waves hitting us outside, that's why I am in room, otherwise my mother scold me, and also I get a tight slap. Okay, so today I learned lots of things, and yes, today I have two news, a good news and also a bad news. Will share to you in coming minutes. Okay, so first of all, I'll tell you what I learned today. Okay, today I watched a SRK sir's video, and a romantic drama, a Korean romantic drama movie, and there two people love each other, and at the end found they found each other, and I feel so satisfied, so happy, because I love so much romantic movies. Okay, and so satisfied and contented after after when they meet. Okay, they met. So so today and this, and yes, I learned two words also. First word is quintessential, and second one is like a dicycle. Quintessential matlab means which is really perfect. Quintessential, which is really perfect, and like a dicycle means which is uh, like a dicycle means lazy. Okay, lazy person. Okay, so this is what I learned today, and yes, I did my writing sessions, and I learned two vocabs, and I listened uh, my English songs, which is Love Me Like I Do, and yes, this song I love the most. Love Me Like I Do. Really, I love this song the most. Okay, and so today's good news is that my we just welcome a little boy, a little baby boy in this world, and he is my cousin's baby boy. My cousin just became parents now, and yes, I'm so happy because I again become bua of a little boy, of a little sweet boy. Okay, so this is a good news, and so let talk about a bad news. I don't want to tell or talk about bad news, but So I take break for my nachos. Okay, so now I tell about good news, about bad news. So guys, here in my street, some construction work going on outside. So if if you are disturbed, so sorry for that. Okay, so now I tell about bad news. So 2 days ago, I joined a speaking session, English speaking session with my teacher. She's the lady who motivates many of girls or women's, and yes, she has many followers on YouTube. And 2 days ago, just I joined her. I connect to her. Okay, and suddenly I just got to know that she wants to quit his English journey. And I shocked that how can she how can she do like this. Okay, so I just drop a message to her that what problem going on in her life. On my first day class, she tell me about that nowadays her life is not going so good. And but i I can't ask any question about her personal life, because that was a speaking English speaking session. So yes, but I just drop a message to find out what problem going on in her life. If I can help anything uh, in her problem, so I must do. Okay, so this is the bad news of the day. So so guys, I just finished my tuition classes. There are 15 students in a batch, and I taught them. Okay, and being a teacher, I face many of problems, uh, many of problem of my students, and which are really nonsense. um, I taught the age I taught the children of age group from 3 years to 16 years. Okay, and they all are excited uh, to tell me about their daily routine. You know, ma'am, what are what will what happened with us today, you know, ma'am, what. And I was like, okay, tell me. So one of uh, one of my student, his name is Rudra, and he went some sorry he went uh, winter vacation winter vacation at their nani's house. Okay, and I really miss him a lot, because he is only 3 year child. So I am talking about Rudra. He is my one of my student, and he is only 3 years old. Okay, so I really miss his mischiefs, his innocence, his his the not his not naughtiness, and his so guys, he is so fond of me, and I also fond of him, because he is the student who uh, who who angry me with every day, who do angry me with every day. Okay, so only he has right to angry me with me. Okay, so when he enter my tuition, he say, good morning, ma'am, good morning. And because he is 3 years old, so he can't speak clearly, so I say, okay, good morning, so sit down. And after that, he start his non-stop talk. even even for not a single second, he can't shut his mouth. Okay, so he's he tell me about his whole day routine, what happened with him what what he do in his Anganwadi. Okay. And when I said when I said that Rudra, recite a poem for me, so he just standed and just recited, मैं तोता हरे रंग का हूँ दिखता. And really guys, I really miss him. And yes, I miss him, his innocence. He's so innocent, so cute. You know what, guys? Chil- I, matlab, I'm that person who likes children the most. I like children the most, and I share the bond, the mutual understanding with them. And yes, they are really they are healers. They are free healers of this world. Okay. And one thing is with one thing is good with them, that they never hold grudges, any complaints. Okay. So yes, I like the children most, and I connect them the most. Okay. So one day, so now I tell my one day incident with him, sorry. So one day I tell him, Rudra, you know what, you are so cute, you are so cute. And I behave like cute is a ugly word, and I like, Rudra, you are so cute, Rudra, you are so cute. And when I said to him, and he replied, ma'am, no, I am Rudra, I'm not cute, I am Rudra. And the next day when he come to know that cute is a good word, then he he came tuition and say, ma'am, you are so cute. And yes, I was I love I love children the most. Okay. So I think I uh, I should sum up this video here. And yes, if you also want to improve your English fluency, so you can listen, you can speak, you can eat, you surround yourself with English. Okay. So this is the only way to learn English fluency. Okay. So yes, keep learning, keep watching, and make your goals, work on your goals, and achieve your goals. Okay. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And thank you for watching.